Dear friend, if you feel lost in life, the problem is not confusion. The problem is lack of clarity about your role. In the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna explains that every person has a dharma, a role, a responsibility. When you ignore your own role and start comparing yourself with others, you begin to feel lost. You look at what others are doing, their success, their path, and you try to follow the same direction. But that creates confusion, because that path is not yours. Krishna clearly says, focus on your own duty, not someone else's. Even if your path feels difficult or slow, it is still better than copying someone else's life. When you try to live according to others' expectations, you lose direction. But when you act according to your own responsibility, your mind becomes stable. Feeling lost is not a lack of options. It is a lack of alignment with your own dharma. So instead of overthinking your future, focus on what is in your control right now. Do your work properly. Take responsibility for your actions. Stop comparing your journey with others. Clarity doesn't come from thinking more. It comes from doing your duty. Radhe Radhe.